Good chat. Make sure everything's good. Make sure the volume's alright. I've been sick. I don't know if you could tell. My fucking voice, dude. My voice sucks right now, dude. Oh. But we here though. We here. I wasn't gonna stream tonight. I was gonna cancel, but I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna be able to stream for like the next like 3 days. So I'm just gonna stream for a little bit tonight. You know, while it's still like Christmas time or whatever. And just get some work done, I guess. So I don't even remember what we did last time, I'll be honest. Whatever we did though, I don't remember. But yeah, I had to like cancel a stream earlier because I was like, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get back home in time. So sorry if anyone was waiting around for that. I wonder if I lost subs. Was anyone mad at me for that? Let me see. Where are we at? I don't even remember what we were at, so I probably can't even really tell. I don't know. Did we lose a sub? I don't know. We're at 336, so maybe we did, maybe we didn't, but fuck it, we ball. Okay. And we were in the process of finishing the motherfucking the color thing. Sorry if you guys hear me sniffle the whole time. We won't stream too long tonight. Excuse me. We won't stream too long tonight. What's going on with VS Code? It's just not working, I guess. Or it's being slow, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, I don't remember what we did last time. I'll be so for real right now. What branch are we in? Are we in the right branch? Yeah, color text. Okay. Yeah, so we were working on that last time, I remember. Let's see what we have. I remember one. John, yeah, okay, and then we added these little like colors here, which is sick. That's the shit right there. Okay. Warrior, we'll do just 2. Mage, C3, default. Print party stats. I thought this was really cool, but the coolest thing that we added last time, hands down, has to be this option. So let me take off this jacket. It's fucking hot. But we added the ability to basically like kind of see a enemy's health, or not like see their health like entirely, but like see their health through this. Yeah, so we have attack, defense, so each skill has its own thing. Damage skills are red. Damage magic skills are blue. Green skills are the healing / buff skills, and then we have the buff heal magic kind of skills, which honestly, I mean, yeah, I mean, I know why I wanted to separate those, because like I guess like technically maybe you could do like a buff, like defense is basically kind of like a buff, or defend is kind of like a buff, so that's why these are like color coded now. But the coolest thing is that these enemies are now green, yellow, or red, and depending on their color shows their health, like basically without you having to like print the stats each turn, you know what I mean? Like that, printing the stats each turn to me just it seems so excessive. Like I just don't think it would have been worth it, honestly. But yeah, basically this stream I'm just gonna try to knock out the color text. I don't want to talk too long, my throat still hurts like a bitch, so we're gonna just try to pull through. But yeah, I did want to show, yeah, so this stuff still works. I actually kind of want to color code these, if I'm being honest. Like I think we could do that in use skill, because that's where it comes from, so we could do that. So if we go back to print battle info, yeah, you can see enemy 1's health, or HP is now at 103 out of 255, which is its max. So nice. Yeah, I'm just gonna try to finish this up tonight. I honestly do not expect this to be a very busy stream. I know everyone's like doing their fucking holiday stuff, and I never stream at this time anyways, so. But I'm really on here more so just so we can get some stuff done and, you know, just kind of go from there, really, so. But yeah. Making good progress though so far. Love that. Love that. Yeah, so let's go to knock this thing out. The first thing that I noticed for sure that I want to do is on the use skill. Whenever we do this right here, I actually kind of want to use the terminal to display like a specific whatever the fuck. How do we get that? Do that. .h, there we go. Okay. So like how do we want to do this? I was thinking maybe we could just do like the stats points like this variable. Maybe we just like highlight that. And so we can I don't know actually. Well, maybe. I mean, we could just make the whole thing green. I mean, just to like kind of show what kind of, well, let's just see how that looks. It might look like too much if I'm being honest, which is what I'm worried about. But we can just try it, like whatever. How do we do it again? I don't know. It's been some days since I've done this shit. Yeah, so terminal foreground and terminal foreground. This is basically terminal reset, but we couldn't fill it in as a string, yeah. So we'll just do terminal foreground and terminal. What do you want to make it? Green? Bright green, right? Yeah. Do bright green on that. There we go. And then we don't want to do that. I mean, I guess we could. It doesn't hurt, but I don't know. Let's just do it like this. Terminal reset, and then we'll do that little space right there. Bada bing, bada boom. We done. Right? Yeah, I think so. All right, let's just kind of see how that looks, because I'm curious. It should work. I don't think there's anything else I need to do for that. So it should be good. As soon as it wants to load. There we go. Okay, A1, B2, C3, D4, and byte. We will defend everyone because it makes sense. Kind of mess with that. I don't know, like it looks a little too much, but it's not like crazy. It doesn't look like, well, I don't know. It might be a little too much, honestly. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. Can't decide. Well, let's look at it like with a different variation. Like, because if we did it like this, if we did, excuse me. If we did it like this, get name defense was raised by, was raised by terminal foreground. Do this right here. Right, okay. Do this. And then we'll do terminal reset at the very end of that. Right? Yeah, okay. Let's just, oh shit. Let's just see what that looks like. It may look good, it may not look good, like whatever. Who cares? 1, B2, C3, D4. Byte, defend, and defend. I kind of messed with that a little bit more. I ain't gonna lie. I kind of messed with that just a little bit more. Just because it's like, it clearly shows like that it was a good thing. Like this amount of points was raised, or like, you know what I mean? Like this isn't like a, yeah, basically is what I'm trying to say. I feel like that looks a little better. Let's do it with the damage HP one now, and let's just kind of test that out. Do terminal.h. Right. Terminal foreground. Terminal foreground. Oh wait, shit, I'm stupid. Bright red. That's what we want to do. Then we'll do the reset at the very end. Did we end up no, we didn't do that, did we? No, we didn't do that. Well, let's just reset it after damage points then. I don't really want to do anything extra. Yeah, that's good. Let's run that bad boy. I hate like being sick because my voice like just gives out so much. Do self. We're gonna do a little bit of extra stuff. Yeah, I kind of like that. I kind of like that. Yeah, I kind of do like that. Should we do like a like, you know what I mean? Like, should we do like health color as well? Ooh, that might actually be kind of sick. Like we can like show their I kind of like that. Yeah, I actually kind of like that. Let's do that. Let's just see what that looks like. I mean, I just want to see. Hopefully that won't be too confusing. I do know that we have let me split this really quick. I know that we have a new method that we do. Get class color, is that what it is? No. Get health color, yeah, get health color, okay. Yeah, so we'll do get health color and just use that instead. So I think it's pretty easy. We just do, see how, get name, yeah, okay. We'll just do terminal, foreground, and then we can do, what is it, target, right? Target cost, right, yeah. Right? Yeah, I think so. So target gets health color, yeah. And that should return a terminal, blah, blah, whatever. Right? Yeah. But then we have to reset it back to white right afterwards, so yeah, forget that. Which honestly, we can just reset. Yeah, we didn't have to do white. I had 3 lucid dreams in the night. Jeez, Danny. That's actually crazy. Would you take like melatonin? Take that Benadryl, bro? Stay away from that Benadryl stuff, bro. This shit fucked me up. Hope you're doing good, Danny. Merry Christmas to you, by the way. You know, it's like a couple days early, but you know. I'm currently sick right now. I don't know if you could tell. Based on my voice. But you know, fuck it, we ball. Yeah, let's see how that looks. Because I think that would be really cool. Let's do it to both actually really quick while I'm doing all of this. Terminal, foreground, and this one's gonna be the source. What's up, Dream World? How are you? Hope you're doing good. Terminal foreground, yeah. Do fucking source, right? Is it sort? No, it's target. No, I'm stupid. It's gonna be target, get health color. Yeah. Fuck about that. Get health color, but then we gotta reset it right afterward as well, so we can't forget that. So terminal reset. Yeah. Okay. Let's test that out. See how good that looks. I'm stressing a ton about the situation in my country. Situation in your country? What's going on there? I mean, if you don't want to tell me where you're from, you don't have to, but sorry to hear that. Oh shit. Yeah, so enemy 1 lost fit. So let's do this a couple iterations. I think would be pretty good. Yeah, see, look, D now has a yellow, which means I live in Russia. That should explain things. Yeah, it does. It does. I'm sorry. Or I mean, I don't know what they've been in, what's been going on there recently. I just, you know, I know about a lot of the stuff that's been going on there, you know. So yeah, I'm sorry about that, man. Hope you're doing okay though. Yeah, so basically, yeah. So we have it where characters can now, or like we now display the character's health basically through showing the colors, which I think is really fucking cool. Let me just do like a couple different things. Yeah, so enemy 2 is now yellow, A is now yellow. I think we can do, I want to test this as well. Yeah. Bro, that's sick. I love that. That's nice. I'm messing with that heavy. I kind of do want to color this though, the turn. Yeah, we'll color that next, I think. I don't want to be thought of as an enemy to the whole world just because I live here. I'm against all the shit they're doing. No, you're good. That's, I mean, you know, I'm against a lot of the shit America does at times too, bro. Like, we're all just, you know, it sucks, like, you know, our lives are just being played with by people in power with massive egos, so. Yeah, okay, that's nice. Let me try to get to red just to see if red works too. Yeah, so A is now at red. Now we can actually check that too. Yeah, no, that's sick. I'm really fucking with that heavy. All right, so let's do, I want this. Excuse me. I want this to, yeah, no, I don't know, actually. I think it'd be pretty cool if we could, I don't know. I just know that I do want turn. Yeah, I do want turn to like actually do something. That'd be pretty sick. Or like not do something, but you know what I mean? Like have some kind of something, you know. One thing I do want to check is just really quick. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it doesn't print the fucking it doesn't print the like congratulations message. Yeah, so we need to fix that. Which is fine. Just because we're clearing console every iteration. So what do we need to do then in that case? Let's see. I guess we just don't need to clear the console when we don't need to clear the console. Let's just not even clear the console at all. Well, I don't think we are doing that, are we? Oh wait, no, we are actually, yeah. Because we're doing in battle and then we're doing clear console. So we're not able to see in battle. Yeah, okay, that doesn't make any sense. Let's just comment that out. All right, and we're gonna do a nice little 1 spam yet again. Just to, you know what I'm saying? Oh shit. Hope you guys are doing good tonight though. Merry Christmas to all who celebrate it. I won't be streaming until the 27th, so I thought I'd go ahead and hop on stream. Even though I had originally canceled the stream. Because I did not get home as early as I thought I would, so I was just like, man, like, and I didn't want to either. I was like, damn, bro, like, I'm really not gonna be home in time. So, sorry for anyone who was waiting on me. I've gotten pretty good at this. Gotten pretty damn good at spamming 1. There we go. Nice, nice, nice. That's what we want. That's what we want right there. So yeah, I guess just don't clear console, honestly, bro. Yeah, because everything else takes care of that really for us. Yeah, okay. So now we just need to, I think in battle does pretty decently. I woke up around 20 minutes ago. Oh shit. Oh yeah, it's brother, what the fuck? You know, it's I forget about time zones, bro. I forget about fucking time zones. Okay. The console. I don't know, dude. $11 a.m. here. Yeah. Stupid American moment. You know how it is, bro. You know how it is. Hold on, give me 1 second, guys. I need to make sure one. I have an idea. Have you ever watched History March videos? History March? Who is that? Good to see you, Dev. Everywhere. Good to see you. Okay. No, I haven't. Sorry, I had to make sure someone was alright. I got a call from someone I never get a call from, so I was like, shit. Okay, yeah, so that works good. Let's go to end battle. Combat? Yeah, wherever the fuck it was. Let's see here. EXP dropped. Where do we print it at? Where do we print? Oh, end info. That's what we do. Yeah. So let's go to end info. And I think we can, God, I forget how goated my music taste are, bro. Like, dead ass. Like, I'm sorry. Like, right now I'm listening to a fucking banger of a song right now. And it's got me like fucking, I don't know, dude. Okay. What we might want to do, honestly, is maybe what we want to do here is I kind of wanted to change based on who wins and who loses, if that makes sense. But I feel like, I don't know, like in info doesn't really take care of that. Like it doesn't, like it's not going to be green if the winner is the player, and it's not going to be red if the enemy is the winner. Like, you know what I'm saying? So I actually don't know. I actually don't know what to do here. I ain't gonna lie. I'm so fucking dehydrated, dude. I'm so dehydrated. I hate being sick because it fucking dehydrates me so much. Okay. So, let's see here. Why do we still have this? We don't need that. Battle has ended, winners. Do we always, but the thing is, I don't want that always to show up green though. Like that's just like, no, like, I don't know, it doesn't really make much sense. I don't know, because there really is no way to change the foreground. There really is no way to like change the foreground outside of this scope. Like if we change the foreground, it will have to be here. It can't be in the other section. So we're kind of just like fucked. I don't know. I don't know, gang. We might just be fucked. I mean, we can try again. Like maybe I was doing some shit wrong last time. I don't know, but yeah. I mean, let's just try one more time, I guess. Excuse me. Sorry, I'll try to mute my mic. I'll try to mute my mic whenever I you know, cough like a disgusting, the disgusting person I am. Terminal bright green. Let's just try this. I don't know. That's not gonna fucking work. I already know. We'll try it though. Well, I don't know. Like it might work. I feel like there was a time where it maybe did work one time. I don't know. but I feel like it's just not gonna work like whatsoever. Please don't slow me down. Going too fast. Oh, now we gotta spam one again. Nice. I love this part of the stream. No shit, what did I do? Fuck. I fucking crashed in. God damn it. Alright, spam one. Yeah, I feel like this is not gonna work. This is about to be just the most giant waste of my time. I can already tell. I'm getting damn good at this though. I'm getting damn good at spamming one, bro. Holy shit. Fuck. Yeah, it doesn't work. Just what I thought. Just like you said, highlight stuff green if the player wins, otherwise red. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do for sure. That's definitely the strat, Danny. The thing is, we can't do that outside of the scope. We might have to refactor how this whole function works. Which, I mean, is fine, I guess. But it's like, I don't want to. I guess, well, no, that isn't, no, that would suck, actually. Because I was going to say, like, we could do, like, check if the party is, or maybe we can, like, set a certain, like, flag equal to something, possibly, like, excuse me, like, yeah, maybe what we can do is we can pass in some kind of boolean. Yeah, okay, that might be what we need to fucking do. We can pass in some kind of boolean and, oh shit, my mommy texted me, hold on. Can you just add a flag from the player wins, color things right? Yeah, that's probably what I'll do, Danny. I just was looking like to see if maybe there was some way I could avoid that. But I don't know, gang. Yeah, we'll just do that. I mean, yeah, we'll just do a flippin', we could check if the player party is alive. Like, we could do that. Which, I mean, I don't know. That sounds like kind of much, actually, now that I think about it. I don't know, but that might be better than passing in an entire variable. Well, it's just a boolean. I don't know. Fuck it. Let's just pass in a boolean. Let's just be simple. Let's be simple people today. Bool player win. I don't know, something like that. Let's do that. Let's do that right there. This is just a temporary fix. We can change it later if we need to. Sorry guys, I'm jamming out right now to my own music. Yeah, but that means that we need to check if play party get us alive. Oh, well, okay, I mean that's actually easy. We could just do what? Player party get us alive. If that is true, that means that the player won. So therefore we're gonna return true. This one we're just gonna return false. Okay, that's fine. That's good. Could add something to player struct itself that says their status. I think. Well, oh, okay. The party. I was like, I was gonna say like I think the player is good. We could do that though. That might actually be a good idea, Danny. We might need that eventually, as well. Do we have something like that? I felt no. We do not. Yeah, because right now we just have the fucking vector and that's it. We could just like add, yeah, I mean, we could just add a boolean, I guess. Like, that's like void. Get is alive, some shit like that. I guess. I don't know, let's just do this for right now. We can add that later, probably, I don't know. Player one, player enemy party. Red, green. Yeah, I think that works, I don't know. But then obviously in end info, if I can say that, we can change this accordingly. So add you 32 flags here. That would be enough for the end of times. We'll just do this for right now. Yeah, I think, should we change the entire thing to green? That'd be kind of, is that overkill? I feel like that's overkill, low key. but I really don't know though. Sorry, hold on, give me 1 second, guys. Gotta text the homies good night, you know how it is. All right, so yeah, I say we just try it out with that first. I feel like it's just gonna be too much though. Like it's gonna be just like the other one, where it was like, wait, hold on. No, wait, it needs to be a ternary, doesn't it? Yeah, it needs to be a, oh shit, yeah, it needs to be a ternary, doesn't it? Fuck, how do we do that? Player win, we just check this, right? And then we do this, and then we do terminal foreground. Yeah, I think that's exactly how you do it. So this is if it's true, do bright green, right? If it's false, why are we not doing that? Oh, because I didn't put terminal like an idiot. There we go. There we go. Terminal. Foreground. Terminal. Bright red? I guess would make sense. That's a beautiful looking ternary, except it doesn't work. Why is that? Oh, it does work. Hell yeah. Good shit. Okay, let's try that. Well, let's also add a also add a terminal reset right here. There we go. We still want to do this too, but fuck it, we'll do that later. I'm as free as a bird now, and as bird who cannot change. Do you guys like my singing? 54. Let's try that. All right, spam 1 yet again. You know how it is. Spam the fuck out of 1. I'm getting damn good at that shit, bro. I'm telling you. But I need to fucking just write like a script to do this shit for me. This is so inefficient. Like if anyone comes into my streams and sees me like just spamming 1 to test my program, you'd be like, oh, this guy's a fucking amateur. What the hell? Why would I ever watch this guy? And I wouldn't even blame them. I'd be like, yeah, I wouldn't watch this shit either. I don't know how people watch me. This might be it. Oh, it didn't work. Why did it not fucking work? Is there a reason it didn't work? I definitely fucked this up somehow. Yeah, 100% I fucked this up. Is this not how this works? I don't know. I do the same shit. I don't know. I'm lazy. But ironically, though, it makes it less efficient to test. So, it just hurts me. But whatever, dog. Whatever, gang. Jeez. My fucking voice, dude. This is why I can't be sick, bro. This is why I can't be sick and stream, because, like, my voice gives out. And I don't want you guys to fucking listen to me. Sounding like a, you know, a boy going through puberty. Alright, so how did I fuck this up? Is this not the right ternary? I feel like it is. I don't know how I fucked that up. Did I fuck it up? I don't know. Ternary C++, just really quick, just to make sure I did the right syntax. Yeah, I did the right syntax. So I'm assuming we just, I don't know, we're just dumb, I guess. Something here is just like, I mean, we could, oh, that's so stupid though. I don't want to do that. Yeah, why is this not working though? I definitely fucked this up. I don't know how though. Bright green, bright red. Are we passing in the boolean? Like, is the boolean being passed in correctly? Should be. Let's see, we're passing in true for info. We're obviously resetting it. I don't know. I'm a bit lost, I ain't gonna lie. I'm a little too sick for this. My brain can't keep up. Damn, chat. I don't really know what I did wrong. Is it because it's a whole separate line? Like, do I really have to make it like... Wait, did I even include that shit in here? No, I didn't. It doesn't even know what I'm talking about when it comes. Dude, chat, why didn't you guys tell me? Come on, chat. The 0 people in chat. I look over, it says 0 concurrent viewers. Okay. How do you pass it even? I'm passing it here in the in battle. It just does like an if statement, like player party get is alive. Which honestly we could have just used that. Wait, we do have a get is alive, don't we? Wait, so what am I doing all this extra work for? Am I dumb? Am I slow? Don't answer that. Yeah, we do have a... Yeah, we literally have a get is alive. Alright. Alright, chat. Alright, chat. This is why it was a bad idea to stream when I'm sick. Let's just make sure that this works first, okay? I don't experience this stuff. I just have 3 gigantic 10K log files. I feel you, bro. I feel you. Okay, let's let's try this again. I think that works now, right? Or right? Yeah, that might work now. Let's try it out. I'm listening to Freebird right now. It's a great song to go high speeds down I-35 and crash. Just spamming the fuck out of this, bro. It still didn't print. Why did I not print? I guess it still doesn't fucking work. Alright, let's see where it's at. Why is it not printing like that? Internal foreground, internal bright green. So you're listening to something completely different than what plays on stream. Yeah. Because the thing is, I don't want to listen to non-copyright house music. I like house music, don't get me wrong. I like the music that I put on stream. But it's like, it gets copyright, or like the music that I want to play, that I like want to like, you know, code to or whatever. That shit gets copyrighted, so I can't really play it on stream. Like, you know, if I want to have the video afterward, you know what I mean? So, I can't really like, you know, just like do this shit. Yeah, I mean, if I was on Twitch, then it wouldn't even be an issue. But YouTube has to be a fucking buzzkill and not let me play copyright music, so I'm just cooked, I guess. I'm cooked. Yeah, I don't know why this is not working. Let's just change this first off, because I mean, we're not even using like the right methodology that I'd want to use, so we don't need to pass in a boolean anymore. That's stupid. That's dumb. You could just do like an if statement or some shit. Do a little if statement type shit. That means you have to go down here and change this. Okay. Yeah, so now we're dealing with some of this stuff. Yeah, so let's do what is it again? Winners? No, wait, how do we get player party? Can we just pull that? Yeah, we can. We just pull it because it's accessible. Get is alive. And then based on that, maybe we just had the yeah, we might have just had that wrong, honestly. I don't know. We'll try it out again. Why not? Foreground. Jesus Christ. Let's try that again. Terminal. Bright green. If I can type, jeez, dude. Foreground. Bright red. Boom. Okay. Still probably not gonna work. I mean, let's be real, but we'll do our best. I'm actually gonna put this on a different line. Just cause, why not? I can't program with music most of the time. I lose focus and ability to go through hard problems. I mean, if I'm if I really need to like lock the fuck in, then, you know, yeah. Wait, it has no effect. Wait, so we might actually have to put this on this line. All of this might have to be on the same line. That might be what's happening here, actually, now that I think about it. Let's try that. Hold on. Let me try this really quick. But yeah, if I really need to like lock in, like lock in, you know, then yeah. But I mean, like, you know, this is just like a little like fun project. But, like if I'm like at work or, you know, like doing like a hard problem like at school or some shit, like yeah, I can't have distractions. Some people are really good with music, but not me. I need just like pure silence if I'm like really, like if I really need to lock in, you know what I mean? Damn. Yeah, so I think what's happening is all of this needs to be on the same line, I think is what's going on. So if we do this, right, if I put this ternary right here, wait, hold on. Maybe what we should do instead is put this ternary right here. Can we do that? Is that allowed? No, it's not allowed. Fuck. Alright, let me do this. Okay, that fixes that problem, but it doesn't fix this problem. Yeah, so maybe we can't do a ternary here. Maybe we have to like have some kind of like flag or some shit. Or I mean, we could just make it like an if statement, which I mean is fine. I wanted to make this cooler looking. The last 4 months I had to be locked in with Vulkan bullshit, and math problems just ain't cutting it with music, bro. If I was doing Vulkan, bro, dude, I'm not listening to shit. I need to lock in if I'm doing that. I want to play around with OpenGL soon. I don't know if I'll ever go near Vulkan, if I'm being honest with you, bro. That is for the experts. That is for the experts. Yeah, so I guess we can't do this. Is there a way that I could just like put this all in parentheses? It's probably a stupid idea, but whatever, I'm desperate. Does that fix it? Holy shit, it might actually fix it. I don't know, let's see chat. Let's see chat. If this is the only thing that's green, that's okay. We just need to make sure that it at least works. New parallel collision system is killing me from the inside. Jeez, bro. Yeah, I bet, honestly. I bet it is. Oh shit, I fucked up. Alright, favorite part of the stream. Yo, did you guys know that it's like 70 degrees in Texas right now? Dude, it's like, sorry, 70 degrees Fahrenheit. That's like, I don't know what that is in Celsius. What is that in Celsius? I know I have a lot of international. 70 Fahrenheit to Celsius. 21 degrees Celsius, okay. Yeah, it's not cold at all here in Texas, bro. It's fucking insane. And I hate that too, bro. Like, I want it to be cold. It's hot like year round here in Texas, bro. Insane. Oh shit. There we fucking go. Let's go, chat. That's what's up. The thing is though, it's not doing terminal reset. I think I'm being so dead ass. I think all of this needs to be on one line. I'll be for real. Or not one line, but you know what I mean, like that kind of shit. Yesterday I had to stop and chill because of wrist pain. I have cycles Or you have cycled about 5K. Jeez. Different versions of it? God damn, bro. Someone get Danny some help, guys. Someone please give Danny some help. Please, dude. You know, you put in that repo thing in chat. I just remember, when's the last time we committed a change? Low key, like, when's the last time we pushed our changes? I can't even, like, I don't even remember. Wait, if I do this at the end of this, does that solve my problems? Or no? Probably not, if I had to guess. I don't know, let's just test it. Let's see. It might still give me a warning, but I don't know. But yeah, it's like, it's not even cold at all here in Texas, bro. Like, bro, that shit pisses me off too. Like, right now it's 71 degrees Fahrenheit, otherwise known as 21 degrees Celsius. Or 21.1 whatever the fuck Celsius. But whatever. Like, bro, I want it to be like, I want to be somewhere where like it snows and, you know, whatever else. Like, I get so tired of walking out of my house, like, not being able to wear my winter wear shit, you know what I mean? Bro, I love wearing like jackets and shit, bro, but I can't when it's fucking 70 degrees outside. Yes, much better. Okay, fuck yeah. We fixed it. Let's go. Nice. Yeah, so I think honestly, the whole thing being green, honestly, let's just keep it like that. Like, there's really no reason to do anything else with that. Yeah. And I low-key think that's all the color that we really want to add. Like, I don't think there's really any other color that I would... Oh shit, I just like exposed my whole forehead. But I don't think there's really like any other color that I really want to add. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like that's low-key... That's low-key good enough. You know what I'm saying? That's low-key good enough. So, fuck it. Let me go here really quick. We're gonna go ahead and move this bit right here. You know what I'm saying? And boom, there we go. Gonna erase some of this stuff right here. Oh shit! Fuck. Wait, this is touching everything else? How? What? Bro, whatever, dude. Just ignore this right here. Whatever. Nice. I'd say that's pretty damn finished at this point, bro. Like, there's really not much else we really need to do for that. Or, I mean, because if we did anything else, I feel like it's like too much color. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's too much color. So let's go ahead and commit our changes. And I might just call it a night there, bro. Like, I'm obviously sick. What's up, Junes? Well, now I can't call it a night because Junes just got in here. Fuck. Good to see you guys. Merry Christmas to those who celebrate it. We finally completed the color text. We got that shit in the bag. Yes, sir. Commit the changes really quick. Finished adding color text. And I might... Oh, shit. Oh, good. Go rest, big man. I don't know, man. I don't know. Let me do a PR really quick, and then or yeah, let me like merge it really quick, and then we'll go through the code again, and then we can, and then I'll probably call it a night at that point. Let me see, run the game real quick for you. Yeah, for sure. I got you, bro. I got you. Let me oh, can you tell that I'm sick, Junes? Can you tell that? Just by my voice. Jeez, it's been driving me fucking insane this last couple of days. Wait, did we not commit? Oh, it had an error committing, I think. Wait, what? It says it's not even up to date. Wait, am I in the wrong... Motherfuck. Motherfuck. Yeah, it says the last commit was a couple days ago. Wait, what the fuck? Oh, I didn't push. God, guys, I'm actually so stupid. Okay, bro, that's how you know I'm sick. That's how you know I'm sick. Damn, sick on Christmas is unlucky. On God, bro, for real. It's just like a cold though. It's just like throat stuff. You know what I'm saying? Pause. Okay. Now we should be able to do it. Now we should be able to do it. Hope you're doing good, Junes. How are you doing tonight? Having a good Christmas time, you know? Speaking of, I should have been wearing my fucking hat this whole time, guys. You guys, this is like one of the last streams I could do that. I'll probably have like Snorlax and my hat on till like the end of December, if I'm being honest. But it isn't that far away, so we need to enjoy the Christmas time while we have it, gang. We need to enjoy it. All right, so the merge has happened. All right, cool beans. Let's do it. So let me go check out main. I'm gonna do get full origin main. Nice. Let's run through this bitch. Run through this bitch. And what I feel. Okay. Yo, W stream. What's up? What's up? W stream indeed. W stream indeed. Hope you guys are doing well. We're about to run through my what I have so far. Excuse me. Okay. Let's go ahead and make that bitch real quick. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Do I sound sick, guys? Like, I'm actually curious. Do I sound like, can you tell that I'm sick? Or do I just always sound this nasty? I'm curious, because you know how like your own voice like is like distorted in your own mind? Like, you guys gotta tell me, like, how do I sound? Do I sound like disgusting? I'm actually curious. Yo, bro, good to see you again. What's up? What's up? Good to see you too, bro. We running through the code tonight. We just got a major merge done just now. Let me actually, no wait, let's not run that yet. Hold on. I am glued. Fuck. Hold on, let me just fuck it. Okay, name. We'll do Austin, because that's my name. We'll do a warrior. We'll do George for the party member 2. Make George a mage. Make Jack. Jack will be an archer. And then we'll do Mark. Mark will be a healer. Okay. For party stats, we get all these nice little cool looking colors here that correspond with their class. Fuck yeah, fuck yeah. And we do a fight. We got, oh, I didn't do the turn 1. Fuck. Little sick, wouldn't be able to tell, not gonna lie. Okay. So I just always sound this disgusting, is what you're saying, Junes. Okay. Okay. Note to self, okay. I was gonna change the turn color. That's so easy though. I could do that like right now. I mean, fuck it. Let's just go through this thing real quick. Yeah, so same shit. You know, whatever. Now, what's really cool is we have the skills now color coordinated. Okay, that's the shit. And basically, hold on, wait, let me bring up the whiteboard. The whiteboard is very important. Can you guys even read this? Hold on, I forgot how fucking awful my handwriting is. This says damage, this says buff/heal, this says damage magic, and it says buff/heal magic. So if it's red, it's a normal damage. If it's green, it's a buff/heal, just normal. But if it's blue or purple, that means it's like a magic skill. So damage magic or buff/heal magic. Anyways, enough looking at my chicken scratch. But excuse me, I'm sorry, I should probably mute my mic whenever I do that. Yeah, so anyways, we have the skills color coordinated now. Okay. Attack. Now look, this is the coolest shit in the fucking world. This is the coolest thing you've ever seen. Okay, this is the shit right here, okay? This is the shit. The enemies, like the targets, the color changes depending on their HP. That's the shit. Like, come on, guys. That's the shit. That's actually so amazing, right? Okay, see, like, watch. Just watch. Okay, also, we added back and cancel. We added colors for those as well. Pretty cool, but not as cool as this. So we're going to do enemy 1, right? We're just going to attack enemy 1. I'm going to show you guys what I mean. Right? Look at that. Look at that. First off, George's name already turned yellow. That means that George's health is around, like, halfway point now. So it'll change. So it'll turn to, like, yellow when it's, like, around halfway. And it'll turn red to when it's, like, less than, like, 30%. Right? Also, the colors here. Green obviously means that something was buffed or whatever the fuck, and red means something was damaged. Whenever we add magic skills, we're gonna add the corresponding colors for those as well. So don't you fucking worry. Okay, but yeah. Now if we do, okay, it's still green. Hold on. Yeah, see, look, see, look. Now enemy 1 is yellow. That was so easy to add. No way. How'd you do that? Fucking magic, dude. I'm just fucking magic. All right. Don't worry about it. But yeah, now look. If we keep going, enemy 1 is now red. Fuck yeah. And look. You can tell because look, 37 out of 255 HP. Pat on the back for that shit. Come on now. That's goated. That's goated. This wasn't even my recommendation. Someone else recommended doing this, so... Whoever said that in chat, thank you. It might have been you, Danny. Was it you, Danny? I don't know. But I'm like patting myself on the back for like doing that, even though that was like the easiest thing to ever come up with. Anyways, we're going to go through the entire battle now. And as you can tell, even our names, like the player party names, also change colors. Holy shit, I'm the GOAT. Literally like the easiest fucking if statement you've ever seen. It wasn't you, Danny. Oh, who was it? It was someone who... It was like a regular. I don't remember who it was. Could have been Nutshell. I don't know. Don't remember. But yeah, look. Hold on, wait. Hold on, wait. Look at this chat. Yeah, see, look. We're all like low health right now. And I don't know if you guys saw that, but... Hold on, I can show you. Yeah, look. Hold up. Wait a minute. What? Wait, I'm actually a little lost here because this is actually wrong. Enemy 4. Wait, why did we hit enemy 4 fucking 6 times? We have 4 people. What? Enemy 4. Wait, I'm actually confuzzled about that. What happened? I actually don't know, chat. Fuck it, we're not going to look at that tonight. We're going to look at the cool stuff. See, look, now it's red, right? And look, it turns green whenever you win the fight. I know. I'm kind of the GOAT. Kind of the GOAT. Critical hit. Yeah, fucking right. That's definitely just an error. A little slip up. But yeah, anyways, that's what we have. I don't know why it hit enemy 4 like kajillion times on that one. Like, look, it did the same shit here. He dies twice. Yeah, he dies twice. Look at that. Enemy 4 is fallen. What the fuck? Wait, and why is it still... Wait a minute. Wait, what? Wait, did it automatically go into this to the next battle? Wait, what happened? Wait, what? Because, like, it automatically went into, like, the battle menu. Obviously, the arena index changed. Wait, are we still popping that? What happened? Hold on, chat. We might actually have to go over this one more time. It's only 4 hits, though. Shit confusing, gang. No. Guys, let's look at the wins, okay? Let's look at the wins tonight, okay? The wins are... We now have color. Look at that shit. Isn't that so pretty? Come on, guys. Let's look at that. Let's look at the color. Let's not look at my faults. No, I think, are we not popping where we need to be popping? Wait, where do we do that at? I forgot. I have no idea, chat. You should try Unreal. I don't know if I will. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my own game engine because that's what Notch said to do. And if Notch said it, it must be right. I'm obviously joking about that. I'm very much joking about that. Please don't cancel me. Yeah, so the only thing that we changed though was this. Sorry if I'm being loud. I don't mean to be loud right now. The only thing we changed in this was this. So why is it not popping? Or it's not like, I don't know, it's not doing, I don't know. Yeah, I'm just making like a console game. I'm not going all out. But I think one day maybe I will try Unreal. But before I do that, I think I'm going to try to make my own game engine from scratch, probably. Make an Unreal clone. I thought about making a, not an Unreal clone, but I thought about, someone said I should just like pull, the source code from, fucking, what do you call it? Godot or some shit, because it's open source. And, play around with that, but I don't know. I was thinking about just like saying, you know what, fuck it. I'm just gonna make my own OS. I'm just gonna start programming in Holy C. Good fucking luck. Sorry, am I swearing too much, guys? I'm sorry. Oh, Godot. Doing it right now makes sense. Yeah. Oh, you're doing it right now. Oh yeah, that's right, Danny. You said you were doing Vulkan right now and shit like that. Damn. Yeah, Danny, I don't think I could do what you do, so I might just stay away from that. Low key. Sorry guys, I gotta check my phone. Full of the homies. I tried Unity, but made no cash. Damn. Danny's built different? On God. On God. Danny, you are what I aspire to be. You are what I aspire to be. Alright. Anyways, guys. Shit. I kind of want to check what that error is, but I might just low-key make like a note. Because, I mean, I did start stream kind of late. Hold on. Bugs. Chat, is this eligible? Eligible? I don't know how to say it. Fuck you. Multi-hit. I don't know, some shit like that. I think it's because it's like processing. Multi-hit. Multi-hit error, some shit like that. I'll know what I'm talking about. I know my own little lingo. Okay. Nice. Nice. Don't you dare go hollow. Go rest. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna go rest, chat. I'm still sick, so. That's a critical, bro? No, it's not. We didn't even write criticals. I mean, we can leave it in, but it's like that can blow up right in our faces if we let it. It is not a fucking critical, bro. You are tripping, dog. We could like add a crit feature, but this is not an intended feature. Unintended feature, let's get it. Fuck no, dude. We're not doing that shit. How long you been coding? About 2.5 years. I'm still kind of a beginner. I'm still a student. So. Excuse me. How many subs we at? All I want for Christmas is 700 subs. We're not gonna get that though. It's all good though. Alright, chat. I think I'm outie. On God. Say goodnight to Snorlax, guys. Snorlax won't be with us for much longer. So you guys better go ahead and say hi to Snorlax. You guys better enjoy Snorlax's presence while you can. Okay? Because Christmas is about to end. And when Christmas ends, Snorlax is going to be replaced. Okay? Snorlax is going to be replaced. Okay? Going to be replaced. I'm almost at 1 month. What? How long you've been programming? I subbed, bro. Don't worry, you'll reach. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. By Snorlax, by Solbyte. Thank you guys. Air strafing and Quake was unintended as well. Look how much people loved it. But I think with who? I don't know yet. I don't know yet. I might let chat decide, honestly, bro. I might low-key let chat decide. Like, I might like give you guys options and then give you guys like a poll, and then you guys pick. I think would be the best way of going about that. So, but yeah, like I don't want to add like we're gonna add crits. Okay, guys, we're gonna add crits. It's gonna here. Hold on, before I fucking go. Add crits. Actually, God, my handwriting. A little bonus. Boom, there we go. Nice. All right, chat. Now it will officially be added. Funko Pop? Fuck no. We're not gonna have Funko Pops in this house. All right, chat. You guys have a good night. Okay, we're gonna add crits soon. All right, we're not gonna leave this in. We're gonna fix this error eventually. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for the support. Hope you guys have an amazing Christmas. All right, I will be streaming on the 27th or the 26th. Honestly, kind of just depends on how shit happens. Okay, but you guys have an amazing night. All right, it's always great to have, you know, have great people in chat like you guys. All right, so have a good night. Let me do this one more time because I do it fucking 7 million times. Have a good night, guys.